warmer weather is here. And for truckers, that means more miles on the road and more demand on your rig. Now's the time to double down on smart maintenance and solid insurance coverage to avoid costly downtime and keep your business moving. Let's start with the essentials. First up, your coolant system. Hot temperatures can quickly lead to engine overheating. Make sure your coolant system is inspected and topped off, so your trucks keep moving and your deliveries stay on track. Next, don't forget your battery. Extreme heat and cold can both wear it down. Corrosion, weak starts, unexpected failure. It's not worth the risk. Check those cables and consider replacing old batteries before they leave your driver stranded. Tire pressure also takes a hit in the heat. High temperatures increase the risk of blowouts. So, monitor PSI closely and keep inflation at proper levels. Your tires, your safety, and your bottom line will thank you. Together, maintenance and insurance are what keep you on the road and in business. If you're operating in Florida, Georgia, Texas, the Carolinas, Tennessee, Illinois, Iowa, or Nebraska, J.E.B.Insurance is here to help. Don't wait for a breakdown or accident to get prepared. Visit J.E.B.Insurance.com for a free quote today or call us at 888-225-2258.